I've had consistent problems with the section of my track in the southeast section. Nice long sweeping curve. I'd replaced the track previously, I'd redone it. I'd soldered on the roadbed though, and it solved the problem only temporarily and never really consistently. This is what happens when I run my nice trains, my brand new CP engine along this section of track. This time I'm going to do it the right way. I'm going to solder the two 3-foot sections of FlexiTrack together before I place it on the roadbed. And there's my solder. A little nicer than my usual job. So 2 3-foot sections ready to replace the track that's causing the derailments. The next step then was to remove the track and the ballast. It's pretty easily done just by using an eyedropper with water. That softens up the ballast and makes the track and the ballast come out very easy. I then sanded it down, preparing it for the track that I just soldered. The next step was to place the 2 3-foot sections of FlexiTrack back where the old track was. Not terribly difficult. Make sure it was straight and level. I also redid the soldering of the feeder wires. In DCC, you use feeder wires about every 3 feet just to make sure there's a good supply of power. And now the ballasting is complete. I use a couple of different colors of Woodland Scenics ballast. Give a little texture. Make it look just a little different. The way I do it is the traditional. I first apply the ballast, then I apply water and isopropanol alcohol to break the surface tension, and then I use a combination of 1/3 white glue, 2/3 water, and glue it down to the roadbed. And the first thing to come through the neutral section.